So here I am out in a town called Palmer, Massachusetts, about 2 hours away from where I live, and I'm at the Yankee Flea Market. I have been wanting to come here for years, and you would think just take the 2-hour drive and go. But guess what? We're here today. Let's go see what we can find. Your pickers, by the way. Hi, Cindy. Pretty big place. Oh, do you have carts? Do you have carts? Perfect. Let's get a cart. You never know. Never know. We got booths right over here. Check it out. A bunch of Funkos. Funko Pops. Aren't those cute? Those. All right, let's just keep going. Let's go see. It's here. I don't know where to start. New stuff everywhere. I like that lamb. Look how cute he is. An S, and he is how much? He's very cute. It's $23.99. He is adorable. Look at this octopus. Never been here before, again, as I said earlier. Oh, look at these little mice. So cute. What do they say on them? $4.99. Unique decor for living. How cute are those? All right. Nice ashtray, at least that. 24. I bet you that's about retail, but that's gorgeous. This is a pretty bowl. Alright. Let's see if we can find some Fenton pieces. Just do a scan for you. Oh, look at the puppy up there. How cute. Alright. There's a lobster. There's another octopus. Oh, that's a pretty vase. $29. That's pretty. It's modern. These figurines, these animal figurines, they are so adorable. There's a little planter, Royal Copley, $28. He's adorable. Cups can be very, very get some good ones Wow, look at this piece back here. Oh, these vases. Exactly. That is gorgeous. Love it. I love vases. I like glass. I like painted glass. Oh, look how cute these are. Oh, little kissing dogs. Those are adorable. Oh, paperweight. Here's one. Looks like a, wow, bride's basket. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at this cat. I love it. Look at the kitty cat. He's a Amico 2002. How much is he? He's $2.99. I love it. I think I'm gonna put him in my cart. He's adorable. All right, first thing in the cart. Oh, these are pretty. What are they? Italian. Oh, the flowers. That's really pretty. So much to look at here. Look at this one. Stained glass. Hand painted. And some of the gold is coming off. I don't know what made me think I could come through with a cart. See a lot of Westmoreland. I think it's Westmoreland. Glass. All right. We came out with these cute little owls. In Japan, how adorable are those? There's another one. See? In Japan, Maryland. And that one says Alaska. How adorable. These cups. What are these? Carlton. Very pretty. Yeah. Flow blue. That there. What is this one? Limoges. Oh, pretty. And that one is another Limoges. I like this pattern. Right here. Wow. Another Limoges. Down here. I'm not crazy about that pattern though. What is this? Oh, but that's a large one. Wow. This looks like a little overaggressive. It is. That one's really pretty. Okay. There's another figurine. No, he was. I like the planters, the animal planters. Kind of serve a dual purpose. All right, so let's come out of here. We are getting the cat for $2.99. So, all right. See what's up here. Oh, I've had one of these. These are um, vintage coin. Put them in the bedroom. People to coins. Let's check them out. 55, 45. Okay. Put your glasses on, Michelle. These chickens. They're cute. Chicken. $20 paperweight. He's really cute. And this is pretty much retail. $45. And what are these? Whoa! Just messed up their whole little. Let me see what they are. A ceramic green egg. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yep. All right, I think we're gonna move on. There's a cute cat up here, but I like the colors. I like colorful ones. So let's keep going. All right. I'm not gonna bring the cart in. See what we have here. There's a pretty orange decanter. It's got a Ponto mark. Now what? 25. Orange glass decanter. I do like it. Whoa. What is it? Just a ruffled? Yeah, let's put it more modern. This is Benton. Huh. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna get, these are, yeah. The buyers. Peruse. Yeah, this place is endless. These are cute. 15, yeah. Let me read this. Put my glasses back on. A Dolly Madison berry bowl. Those are cute. Rubber Capital Jim Beam Club. That one's cute. Look at that one. That's a. Who is that by? Oh, Maloke.